Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete all Google Photos at once. So let's get started. For that, open up your browser and then in the search bar search for photos.google.com on your computer and sign in to your account. Find the first photo and hover over it. Now click on the tick icon right over here, and as you can see, it is selected. So after you select it, now scroll down all the way to your last photo. And now once you reach at the bottom, hold the shift key and simply click on the last photo. This will select all of your photos at once. Now after that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the trash icon and then select got it. Just like that, tap on move to trash, and now this will delete all of your selected photos. To permanently delete everything, you need to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on the trash icon again. Inside here, simply tap on empty trash. And now tap on empty trash again. And just like that, all of your photos will be gone for good. That's it. You have successfully deleted all of your Google Photos in one go. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.